ingredients for fresh garbanzo bean noodles. It's easy to make, very simple. For you guys would like to have add more protein or fiber in your meal, will be perfect plant-based protein for you. It's very easy, simple. Now let's see what ingredients here. It's a half cup tapioca flour and 1 cup garbanzo beans flour and cup and half of water and cooking oil. And now we're gonna mix them together. Add dry ingredients first. Let's press the oil in a tray. You're gonna add mixing ingredients. Probably about 3 ounces. Just don't make it too thick and don't make it too thin. This is quite a medium-sized tray. We make it balanced. Check. And now we're going to put a microwave for 2 minutes and a half, 2 minutes 30 seconds. Now 2 minutes and 30 seconds we're going to take out from let this cool first before we peel it out. When noodles cooled, I brush a little more oil and I'm going to peel it out, an easy peel out. This perfect size. The perfect size. Dipped spatula with the water first before we peel it out because it is wet here. And I pressed my cooking oil here. And I will add this one's quite a big tray. I will add about half cup, make it a little thicker. We make it balanced. This one get a little thicker. If you want thin, maybe you add like a 3 ounces and a little half, 3 ounces and half or 3 ounces. And now we're gonna put a microwave for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Let's turn it on. I use a little thin spatula to peel it out. It will be easier. And now that it's cool, I brush oil in the top to prevent the sticking to each other. Now let's look at our noodles. Look perfect. Look perfect. We're gonna slice it. We're gonna slice this garbanzo bean noodles. Ready to eat, ready to cook. It's perfect. If you make a lot, you put it in the refrigerator. Hope you guys enjoy this recipe. It's a high protein noodles. And easy, simple to make. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay happy and healthy. We see you next video. สวัสดีค่ะ